Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Gladiator North Edition. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are hardtop headliner, black overland cloth bucket seats, manufacturer's statement of origin, tires, 255/70 R18 BSW all-terrain, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, STD, quick order package 24E North Edition included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, freedom panel, storage bag, rear window defroster, rear sliding window, no soft top. North Edition GRILLZ instrument panel, bezels, emergency assistance call, Sirius XM traffic plus HD radio.